Hey guys, Lindsey here, back with another episode of Weekly Whimsy. This is where we traverse the landscapes of our community, spotlight some exciting projects, and sprinkle in a little bit of tech magic. Everything I mention in these videos will be down in the description boxes below. Let's dive in. Kicking things off with our community highlights. Our Discord is not just a chat room, it's a nexus where 3,737 tech enthusiasts and innovators converge. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your tech journey, our community is here to welcome you with open arms. Next, I am spotlighting Callback, and they are powered by Pinata. Callback isn't just a tool, it's your all-in-one hub for managing your NFT community. Imagine creating, distributing, and interacting with your NFT collections, all in one intuitive no-code space. From token-gated forms, leaderboards, to voting and burning, Callback brings you a seamless way to engage and innovate in the NFT space. Moving into the world of Web3 news, a staggering 72.5 of the top 40 video game companies are now building out blockchain infrastructure. The giants, including Microsoft, Sony, and Nintendo, are weaving the decentralized web into their frameworks, signaling a new era where blockchain is becoming integral to gaming's future. And last but not least, let's unravel the mysteries between public and dedicated IPFS gateways. Gateways serve as a crucial bridge, linking the decentralized web to our everyday online interactions. Understanding the differences between public and dedicated gateways isn't just informational, it's your key to navigating IPFS with enhanced speed, reliability, and efficiency, ensuring your Web3 projects are accessible and performant. And with that, we close the curtains on another week of Weekly Whimsy. If you find these videos to be informational and inspiring, hit that subscribe button and like buttons down below and join our community. Until next week, this is Lindsey signing off, encouraging you to keep exploring and happy pinning. Bye!